Name is Malik. So today we'll be talking about Qwen3 2.35B model. So this is the model we are going to be using, and Qwen have other models you can test out, and they just released another one which was Qwen3 30B and A3B, a compact and high performance mixture of experts with models, right? So we are going to be testing Qwen30B, right? But right now, let's use Qwen 235 because this is one of the most powerful AI model, Qwen3 235B. So right now, Alibaba is actually topping the league, second to Gemini, which is Google, right? So they are both releasing mid space of models that can take us or drive us to the next level. So now all you need to do is to go on your web dev, and right now you are seeing what Qwen is actually doing. You can see the full stack app it builds without writing a single line of code. So if you're a developer before, I advise you to shift to the wave of artificial intelligence to see more opportunities and grab the opportunities right now. So on the interface, they actually say yes, the web dev, and which is already on a tag. So right now, all you need to do is you need to just insert your prompt. So if you're a good prompt, if you are good at prompting, all you need to do is to write the prompt, and it builds your landing page or your full stack app or your full stack web dev app. Then once you are done, or if you do want to use voice chat or video chat, you can do that, and it helps to build your apps for you. So right now, all you need to do is to click on the thinking budget. So the thinking budget controls the level of thinking the AI model does when building your app. So my advice is you don't actually need the thinking budget because it slows your work down, right? So the AI is actually going to come out with something, and it's going to reason very fast, but at the same time it takes time. So right now the app on a norms can just build 4 minutes and you are done with generating your app, right? So I built agentic launchpad with this. So I'm just going to go here and show you my former um web app I built with Qwen 2.5, sorry, Qwen 235B, and you can see what it built for me. Like I said, agentic launchpad. So this is what it built for me right now. So you can see the app it built for me. So if I do want to open it in a full screen, I can do that, but this app is not yet fully functioning right now. So I think just a quick of 2 videos and blah blah blah. So nevertheless, I'm just going to cancel it. So yes, now I'm going to write the same prompt I used to build this app, which you'll be seeing on this interface. So once I can paste the prompt. So I know most of us do not know how to write prompts. I do know how to write prompt, and I've been studying that because that's one of the most I think that's one of the most effective um aspects in AI, knowing how to talk to an AI to help you do tasks and more workload for you. So this is the prompt I wrote, but I used a bit of ChatGPT to enhance my prompt. You see, when you write prompt, you're still a human. Nobody is perfect right now because AI isn't perfect right yet. So you just need to write a prompt because AI is more perfect than you when it comes to prompting. AI can prompt more than you. So what you need to do is to give your prompt to maybe ChatGPT, Cloud, and they help you enhance your prompt into thicker and stronger prompt. So now let's dive into building this app. So let's dive, and we're building this app. So right now you are seeing it coding for us, so you can see. So let's watch how this AI builds up this app for us in a matter of just, it's not even going to take like 2 minutes to build this app for us. So you can see that Qwen is playing a big role right now for junior devs. So Qwen is going to take up those roles for junior devs. So if you're a junior dev or if you're a beginner that don't know how to use artificial intelligence, I think right now is the time to use artificial intelligence. You don't need to start thinking much complex thoughts in your head about AI. Right now, AI is so vast. AI is so fast that it can prove anything right for you. So right now, I'm bringing my ideas to life. So most of us beginners do have ideas of building something, maybe building a small niche app. So you can see the kind of idea that I brainstormed in my mind. So I said, okay, cool. Let's put this idea on artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence helps you enhance the idea. So right now, this is just like a full stack app that I was dreaming of building, right? So this app writes more clean code. I don't know. For me, this app writes more clean code than Google Gemini. So I don't know why you are still waiting to touch this untapped source that you are actually looking at on my YouTube channel. So right now, this is what Qwen built for us. So we are going to. This is the home page. You're actually seeing me, and it's not actually completed. But right now, you can still give this AI more. You can give it more prompts as you go on and so forth. It's going to change things. It's going to change things in the app and build more and more. So I'm just going to tell him, okay, I'm just going to tell it, I need you to add a feature where I upload, sorry, upload files like video, which is, yeah, files like mp4, come on, and sorry, and mp3, and more of, to learn and to teach on the launch pad, right? So I'm just going to tell it, and it's going to help me with just a simple prompt. This here is going to rebuild everything back, and then it's going to add it, right? You see that it's going to update the app. So the more you prompt on the app, it updates the app inside the canvas, leaving you to see it, giving you to see the preview of how your app is being updated. So right now we have Qwen, we have Gemini, and we have Grok. So these three AI right now are so simple that anyone can just sit down, go to their laptop, and maybe you had an idea maybe for the past 2 years, then AI helps you to brainstorm this idea. You don't need to pay huge amount of money. So guess the fun part about Qwen. Qwen is actually free right now. It has no limit. I build up anytime, anywhere. So you can make money from artificial intelligence, right? So what I need you to do is to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to come. So right now, we are going to wait for our app. So let's be patient, a little bit patient. So you're going to be patient for building. So I don't know, it's not yet loading. Let's see. I hope something is not um the have issue. So let's still wait for the app to be previewed. So it you can see the code it has written for us. So you can see the code. If you are good at coding, you can copy the code and edit the code in other, like apps like VS Code. You can download the code, you can share the web canvas you're actually seeing. So I don't know why it's behaving, but I'm just still going to tell you, please fix this. So you're not seeing it. So I'm going to tell you to fix it for us because we are not seeing anything. So it's going to do that, right? So I don't know why is no. Please fix the app. We aren't seeing the app on our canvas. So we are going to give you this simple stupid prompt, and the AI is going to help us do that. So please just help me. So it's going to write the code more and more for us. So let's just be patient and let the AI do its work. I think this AI is so fast. But when I was building the app, which is my former app that I was building, it didn't give me too much stress, like, because maybe I was trying to duplicate the app. Maybe that might cause the whole kind of error that's happening. But right now, I assure you that once you are good at prompting, you're going to bring your idea back to life with AI, with Qwen, right? So the link to Qwen is on the description below. So to catch me on my Instagram account for more info about AI, my Instagram profile link is on the description. All you need to do is to go to the description. Please follow me on my Instagram for more tips of artificial intelligence. So that is what we are going to do. So wow, bros, you can see how it made this app so cool back. So I'm sorry for that. So this when so how to use agentic launchpad and the blah blah blah. Actually, I can embed a video there, maybe creating it on this same YouTube channel. Then I'm going to transfer my YouTube channel videos to my private app where I launch clients and teach them how to use artificial intelligence, right? So you can see agentic launchpad. So I can actually tell you to change the color right here. So right now I'm going to say about us. So I'm going to say about us. So it's a quick and stupid interface it gave us, but I can change the interface. I could add more pictures to the interface. So that is why you have this plus bot sign here thinking all you need to do is to upload image. You can upload the video, you can upload an audio, you can upload the document, and this AI will learn from there and build your app. So that's how cool Alibaba has released their new AI model. So you can see once you upload a media. So right now I'm going to click on media. You know, in the section past section, we told the AI to build a place where we upload our media for us, right? So watch this, the magic of artificial intelligence. So I'm just going to put this stupid video. I think I have, yeah, 14 MB, and I'm going to upload the media. Let's see. Yep, we are there. You can see, the video right here it uploaded for us. So right now the app is not fully functioning right now, but I promise you that I'm going to give this app more effort, and maybe when I transfer it to VS Code it's going to be more versatile or more good cool, right? So please, if you watch this video and if you like this video, please um um follow me for more videos like this to come. So thank you guys. So all you need to do is to, if you want to see more videos like this, all you need to do is to go to the description below, message me on my Instagram, more videos, and I'm going to send you my private videos that I build with artificial intelligence if you're a beginner. Thank you very much guys. Peace out.